When Garmin released the first Fenix over a decade ago, rugged smartwatch sounded like an oxymoron. Now, the brand's 8th-generation flagship, Garmin Fenix 8 Pro, is gearing up to push boundaries that tremble even the most ambitious ultrarunners. The upcoming beast isn't just a spec bump, it's a strategic reimagination of what a wrist computer should do when Wi-Fi drops to 0 bars, when the weather flips from balmy to blizzard, and when your body screams for recovery yet your mind wants one more summit. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Early leaks, FCC filings, and supply chain whispers paint a picture of a device that fuses aerospace-grade titanium, sapphire solar lenses, adaptive power algorithms, and fresh AI coaching pipelines into a single, wrist-hugging powerhouse. For context, Garmin's target remains the Athlete Explorer hybrid. Think climbers bolting 100-meter big walls, backpackers hiking Nepal's 3 passes in winter, or Arctic endurance riders chasing daylight north of the 66th parallel. Biggest advancements appear in multi-band GNSS, blood chemistry analytics, and an overhauled Connect IQ 3.0 app layer that bakes in machine learning suggestions before your lactic acid buildup even peaks. In short, the Fenix 8 Pro is not about prettier watch faces, it's about survival with style. Let's unpack how. Garmin shaved roughly 1.8 millimeters of case thickness by moving the barometric sensor array to a honeycomb vent and swapping legacy steel lugs for a grade 5 titanium monocoque shell. Durability is doubled in lab torsion tests, yet the watch sits flatter, eliminating that dinner plate feeling smaller wrist athletes complained about in the Fenix 7. Interchangeable quick fit 2 bands. Trailflex silicone, textured grip, anti-sweat channels, neon ranger accents. Hydroweave nylon, quick dry strap for paddleboarders and triathletes. Metrolink steel and leather hybrid, boardroom stealth with micro-adjust ratchets. Unique keywords inserted, titanium adventure watch, carbon polymer core, quick fit 2 bands. The Fenix 8 Pro pushes to 12 ATM, is almost equal to 120 M, and passes Garmin's new Ice Shock 4.0 drop test. 4 drops at -40 degrees Celsius onto frozen steel. Clearly, the company envisions more polar explorers tagging the watch on Instagram. Garmin leaps from MIP to micro-LED with transflective assist. Result: 1.4-inch panel that hits 2000 nits in direct sun yet sips power at night by reverting to 80 nits grayscale. Seamless touch/physical hybrid UI. When thick gloves block swipes, 5 textured buttons step in without missing a menu tier. Horizon Dash Quick View. A new overlay triggered by double-tapping the top left button, shows compass heading, barometric trend, and LTE signal in one ring. Unique keywords: micro-LED rugged display, Horizon Dash overlay. Garmin debuts an 8 LED cluster with alternating green, red, and infrared for melanin-agnostic reading, meaning darker skin tones get equal accuracy, an industry first. Improved SpO2 aligns with EMT-grade oximeters within plus or minus 1% in lab comparisons. Body battery graduates from a generic gauge to multi-vector energy modeling that weighs sleep stages, respiration rate, cortisol patterns, and cumulative impact across the last 14 days. The new slogan in marketing decks? Recovery is no longer a mystery, it's math.